Good evening, everyone. I'm Elizabeth, one of the OET aspirants at EduSkills International. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty Lord for this wonderful platform. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our one and only mentor, Dr. Salim Joseph, and to the entire admin panel for this valuable opportunity. I consider it's a great privilege to participate in this discussion group, which has significantly boosted my confidence level. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Nitya ma'am and Mini ma'am. It's because of your constant encouragement only that I have been able to continue my learning. You have always been supportive, and I am truly grateful for that. Once I joined this platform, I really hate OET. Now I fed up with the materials, and I was like crazy. But from the bottom of my heart, I can say I'm so happy now. So once I joined the group, the WhatsApp group, I initially found one video, like one of the admin posted, like how to control anger. It's not related to the OET material. It's like a random video is there posted. I started my a journey with after watching that video, how to control anger. It's really helped me a lot. On that time I was really emotionally struggled. Then from that itself, I can say it's really I changed myself a lot. Even though in my family life also how I control my anger and how to while dealing with my kids. It's really helped me a lot. In my opinion, this is the best way. This is the best way to overcome our fear and struggles. To build confidence. Through the active participation in these discussions. My competency in all four modules, especially reading and listening, has improved considerably. It has also enhanced my confidence and and it really contributed to the overall development. It's not only the English learning. Overall, I was like a very shy person. But it's really helped me to overall development in my skills with confidence. I can say if you want to crack OET and not only the OET. But also to live confidently in an English-speaking country, this is the best opportunity and the best approach. Because it's really, I'm telling from the bottom of the heart. I really experienced, it's amazing. There's no words how to express my thanks to the father and the mentors. And it's really, really helpful. For upcoming candidates, I would like to strongly suggest join the discussion group, interact with each other and share your learning and grow together. We can we'll definitely gain confidence and gradually change our attitude, and eventually we fall in love with OET. That is the best thing I got from this journey. Moreover, I would like to thank my dear friends for this, for their immense support throughout this journey. We are like a family. It's really once we're going to finish the batch, really I want to cry. This is really a family meeting like that. I felt like that. And truly appreciate your love, care, and encouragement during this process. Okay, once again, I would like to thank Father and Mini ma'am, Nitya ma'am, and my dear friends for your invaluable support throughout our journey. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.